Have you noticed the recent surge in Solana's price? Quite an interesting development, isn't it? Let's dive right into the heart of this exciting development. Solana, or SOL, as it's often referred to, is showing some significant upward momentum. Just recently, the price of Solana surged above the $100 mark. This surge isn't just an isolated event, it's indicative of a larger trend, a bullish momentum that's aiming for some key resistance levels. But like with any journey, there are bound to be bumps along the road. Solana has recently experienced a dip, falling below the $130 mark. Now, for the uninitiated, this might seem like bad news. But for those who understand the ebb and flow of the cryptocurrency market, it's just a part of the process. Following the dip, Solana rebounded, suggesting the potential for a bullish pattern to form. And this potential isn't just speculative. We're talking about a possible 10% increase. Now that might not seem like a lot, but in the world of cryptocurrency, a 10% increase is a significant movement. If this increase materializes, we could be looking at a new upward trend for Solana, a trend that could potentially see its price soar towards the $200 mark. But as with any financial market, there are no guarantees. The only certainty is the inherent uncertainty of the market dynamics. However, the indicators are promising, and the potential is certainly there. So we're seeing some bullish momentum, but what do the technicals say about this? Stay tuned as we delve into the technical analysis of Solana's recent price movements in the next segment. Now let's dive into the technical analysis. The technical analysis of Solana's price action reveals some intriguing patterns. One of those is a potential consolidation phase, which in non-jargon terms is a period of market indecision that ends when prices break through previous support or resistance levels. In Solana's case, this consolidation phase is potentially setting the stage for a rise to $160. But how can we be so sure about this? Well, the answer lies in the patterns. In any market, prices move in trends, and these trends have a habit of repeating themselves. By studying these patterns, we can make educated predictions about future price movements. The consolidation phase we're seeing now is a pattern that has often preceded upward price movements in the past, hence the prediction of a rise to $160. But the technical analysis doesn't stop there. It also suggests further potential towards $175 to $195 if the bullish strength persists. This means if the market sentiment continues to favor buying, we could see Solana's price reach these higher levels. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Gaussian channel, a tool used to identify trend direction and reversals, has turned bearish. This suggests a sideways trend before a possible rise to $200. A sideways trend, or a bearish trend as it's often called, refers to a period where there's little price movement up or down. But wait, isn't that a bad thing? Not necessarily. In the grand scheme of things, these sideways trends can provide breathing room, allowing the market to gather strength for the next big move. In Solana's case, this could be the run-up to $200. But remember, technical analysis is not a crystal ball. It's a tool, a piece of the puzzle. It can provide clues and help us make informed predictions, but it cannot guarantee outcomes. Market movements can be influenced by a myriad of factors, many of which are beyond our control. The technicals suggest a potential consolidation phase, but what does this mean for Solana's future? So, where does this leave Solana's future? As we delve deeper into the realm of possibilities, the future of Solana paints an intriguing picture. Judging by the current trends and the technical analysis we've discussed, we're looking at a potential ascent to the $200 mark if this bullish strength persists. That's right, you heard it here first, folks. Solana could very well be on the verge of breaking a new high. Now, I know what you're thinking, this all sounds great, but how sure can we be? Well, the answer lies in the Gaussian channel, a technical indicator used by traders to identify potential price movements. Recently, it's taken a bearish turn, hinting at a possible sideways trend in the short term before we see a rise. What does this mean? In layman's terms, we might be in for a period of consolidation. The price could hover around the same level for a while, building a strong foundation. And when that foundation is robust enough, that's when we might witness Solana's takeoff. But it's essential to remember that this is based on current data and market trends. The world of cryptocurrencies is a volatile one, and a myriad of factors could sway the market. While technical analysis provides us with educated predictions, it's not a crystal ball. Therefore, it's always crucial to do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. Yet, The potential is there. Solana's robust technology, coupled with its growing user base, could provide the perfect launchpad for this bullish rocket. The possibility of reaching $200 is not just a dream, but a reality that could be realized sooner than we think. So as we stand on the precipice of potential, one thing is clear. Solana's future looks promising, and it could very well be a game changer in the world of cryptocurrencies. It seems like Solana may have some interesting times ahead, but as always, only time will tell. Let's wrap things up. Today we delved into the fascinating world of Solana, a cryptocurrency that's been showing some bullish momentum. We saw how it surged above $100, indicating a potential uptrend. Despite a brief dip below $130, it rebounded, suggesting a bullish pattern that could potentially lead to an uptrend towards $200. We also took a deep dive into the technical analysis. The Gaussian channel turned bearish, indicating a possible sideways trend before a potential rise. This points to a consolidation phase, which could see Solana rise to around $160, with the potential to reach between $175 to $195 if the bullish strength persists. We then looked at the potential future of Solana based on these current trends. While the future is uncertain, the signs are promising for this robust crypto player. Remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is volatile and unpredictable. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thank you for tuning in, and stay savvy in this digital world.